So it is seen that Cyrus is in a very good mood because Cyrus and Darius are going to do the food challenge, and Cyrus is waiting for Darius, and Darius is going to bring stuff for the food challenge, and Cyrus is preparing himself for the food challenge, and then suddenly all the lights in the house turn off, and Cyrus thinks that Darius must have turned off the lights, and Cyrus calls Darius to turn the lights on, but then Darius screams, and Cyrus sees that Darius has locked himself in the bathroom, and Darius is telling Cyrus to stay away, and Cyrus finds the bathroom door locked, and Cyrus tells Darius to come out of the bathroom, but Darius does not want to come out of the bathroom, and Darius does not want to do the food challenge, and Cyrus is surprised at what has suddenly happened to Darius, and Cyrus notes that Darius' voice has also changed, and Darius is saying from inside the bathroom that leave me alone. Then Cyrus tries to turn on all the lights in the house, but some of the lights are not working. Then Cyrus sees that Darius has left the bathroom, and Cyrus starts looking for Darius, and it is seen that Darius starts acting evil again, and Cyrus seems to think Darius acting is a joke, and Cyrus follows Darius outside, and Darius is laughing scary outside the house, and Cyrus thinks that Darius is pranking me, and Cyrus does not believe Darius. And then Cyrus moves towards Darius, and Cyrus tries to talk to Darius, and when Cyrus reaches out his hand towards Darius, then Darius bites Cyrus on his hand, and Darius is really evil, and Cyrus rushes inside the house, and Darius is locked out, and Darius is hitting his head against the window, and Cyrus' hand is bleeding, and Darius is laughing like evil, and then Cyrus tries to clean the blood with a paper towel, and while Darius is locked out, and Darius' whole acting is evil, and then Cyrus rushes to leave the house, and Cyrus' hand is injured, and Cyrus is not ready to drive, and Steve has to drive, and then they quickly get into the car, and Cyrus is leaving Darius, and Cyrus did not expect Darius could be in evil possession again, and Steve is very worried that Darius has been trying to harm everyone for a month, and then Steve feels something in the car, and it is seen that Darius is already in the car, and then they quickly get out of the car, and Darius also gets out of the car and disappears, and Cyrus does not understand why Darius is acting like evil.